For decades, Oprah Winfrey's weight was a public spectacle. Now she's the face of a controversial new class of weight loss drugs, sparking a firestorm. In late 2023, Oprah confirmed using a prescription medication, calling it a gift and redemption for a lifelong battle. But as she praises the drug, the makers of Ozempic face thousands of lawsuits over debilitating side effects. This is the story of Oprah's decision, the decades of public shame, and a controversy forcing us to question everything about weight, wellness, and Big Pharma. The Public Battle magazine covers blared Oprah's weight loss victories, then documented her regaining it all. In 1988, she lost 67 pounds on a liquid diet, only to gain it back after returning to real food, reaching her heaviest weight of 237 pounds by 1992. This relentless cycle of public praise and shame fueled her belief that the struggle was a personal failure of willpower. For over 25 years, she internalized the guilt, convinced discipline was the only answer, but yo-yo dieting always pulled her back. This battle set the stage for a new solution, but the reality would be far more complex. The turning point. The turning point came in 2023 during a panel discussion, The State of Weight. Oprah heard specialists reframe obesity not as a failure of willpower, but as a matter of biology. This was her aha moment, the realization she had a predisposition no amount of willpower could control. The science seemed to correct the belief that her struggle was a character flaw, finally allowing her to let go of decades of self-imposed shame. But this moment of release led her down a path many now find is riddled with devastating consequences. The decision to use medication. Oprah had long resisted weight loss drugs, viewing them as the easy way out and a form of cheating. But the 2023 panel changed everything. She revealed on her podcast she had started a GLP-1 agonist, a tool she says quiets the brain's food noise. Critics, however, warn the drug's mechanism can cause gastroparesis, stomach paralysis, leaving food to sit in the stomach, causing severe nausea. Yet for Oprah, the medication was relief, like redemption, like a gift. Oprah's transformation became visible, but she insists the drug is not a solo act. While some users develop a gaunt look dubbed Ozempic face, Oprah emphasizes a holistic approach to appear fit and vibrant. She combines the medication with daily 3 to 5 mile hikes, a strict eating schedule, and a gallon of water a day. Countering concerns about muscle loss, she stresses that without her rigorous diet and exercise routine, the medication wouldn't work for her. The backlash and controversy. The backlash to Oprah's endorsement was immediate and intense. Thousands of lawsuits are mounting against the drug manufacturers, citing severe side effects like stomach paralysis and gallbladder problems. The controversy deepened when Oprah stepped down from the Weight Watchers board just before her TV special on the drugs aired, citing a conflict of interest. After the company's stock plunged, it pivoted to a new business model, prescribing the very same medications, seemingly ignoring the growing reports of harm. The broader implications. Urgent questions surround these medications. When patients stop taking them, the appetite and weight often return, leaving them with a potential lifetime bill of over $1,000 a month. While Oprah combines the drug with a strict lifestyle, many fear the public will see it as a magic pill. Experts warn these drugs are not the easy way out and require nutrition and exercise to work. For those facing imminent death from obesity, the choice might seem clear, but for millions of others, the long-term risks remain a dangerous unknown. Oprah calls the medication a tool and a gift to manage her biology. But is it a helpful tool or a pharmaceutical crutch with life-ruining side effects? Her decision has forced a global conversation as millions adopt a new class of drugs with unknown long-term consequences and alarming short-term reports. The old narrative of willpower is being replaced by a new script written by Big Pharma, and the ending is a story we have yet to see.